you want to learn Hangul but you don't know where to start?
Because there's so many Korean words out there. A lot of YouTubers are explaining what this means, what that means, and you're just completely in chaos.
This video is for you. So you know how like back in Joseon Dynasty, there are social classes divided like a hierarchy. So kicking at the top and going down, down, down. Only noblemen could read books. So they're the only ones who were very educated. Whereas 평민s, like people in lower class, they didn't have any chance to get educated, which is very sad, right? King Sejong decided to invent Hangul. So Hangul was made for people who couldn't read. You gotta keep that in mind. That means it's gonna be so much easier to learn Hangul, because it was for people who are illiterate. He made it super easy to have them understand, learn Hangul. That's why Hangul is called the language of sound. Like for people who are in lower class, they know the sounds of words, right? They know the sounds of the words, but they just had to put them into words. So when you start learning Hangul, you gotta focus on sound, not words. I know like it's very common way to study, like, okay, so here is a picture of apple. 사과. So this is 사과. 사과예요. 사과. And then you just have to memorize, okay, so 사과 looks like that. Personally,
I wouldn't recommend that method.
because you know how like I told you, Hangul is the language of sound. So you have to pay attention to the sound. In order to do that, you have to know the alphabets, Korean alphabets. So let me teach you the simple alphabets today. So first of all, let's start with ka. Ka. Think of pair of shoes like this. It's one pair, right? So let's take a look at this shoe. Gu shoe. Gu, gu. This shoe has gu sound. And ah. So this shoe has ah sound. Gu, ah. Put them together, becomes one pair, and we call it ka. So gu, ah. Put them together, it becomes ka. So let's try it with na. Na. Na looks like this. Na, shoe, and ah, shoe. Ah, shoe is here. So n plus a, as they become one pair, we call it na. So ka, na. Let's do it with ta. D, shoe, a, shoe. As they become one pair, we say ta, ta. Let's do it with la, la. This is l, shoe. This is a, shoe, la. Let's do it with ma, m, shoe, a, shoe, ma. Let's do it with pa, b, shoe, a, shoe. Combine them. Pa, s, shoe, a, shoe, sa. Let's do it with a. Shoe, a, shoe. Put them together. Ah. Let's do it with cha. J, shoe, a, shoe, cha. Let's do cha. Ch, shoe, a, shoe. Combine them. Cha. Ka. K, shoe, a, shoe. Combine them. Ka. Let's do ta. Ta. T, shoe, a, shoe. Combine them. Becomes ta. Let's do pa. P, shoe, a, shoe. Combine them. Becomes pa. The last one. Ha. H, shoe, a, shoe. Combine them. Ha. Now let's practice. Please sing along.
하나 둘 셋 시작 가나다라